Up to this point, all of our answers have had the units GTT per minute. So if you're watching the IV machine and you're trying to confirm if it's working at the correct rate, then you would have to count the drops coming out of it for an entire minute. So there is another way to do it, and that is the 15-second count. And that's counting how many drops per 15 seconds. So there are 4 15-second blocks in 1 minute. So that's like from the 12 to the 3 to the 6 to the 9, and then the 9 to the 12. There's 4 15-second blocks. So it says you are to regulate a newly started IV to deliver 67 GTT per minute. Find the 15-second count. You would just take the 67 and divide it by 4. So 67 divided by 4, we get 16.75. But again, we want to be counting entire drops. We don't want to have to worry about counting half a drop or something like that. So I do want to round this to the nearest whole number, which will be 17. And then this is 17 GTT, not per minute, but per 15 seconds. So when they're asking for the 15-second count, the advantage is that you don't need to stand there for the entire minute to count how many drops are coming out. You only need to stand there for 15 seconds to count how many drops are coming out. And then again on your answer, make sure that you put per 15 seconds, don't put per minute there.